we got a spun bearing, and we picked up this car from the auction. So see those bearings right there. Picked up this car from the auction, and the $2,000 car. But it's a 2017, 120,000 miles on it. Had a spun bearing, so I figured, why not? It's something that we can fix in our little home shop. So that's what we're gonna do. I wanted to show you guys kind of our fleet update, update on the Corvette, what's coming, update on the Z, what's coming, where we are with the project, and then update on the Skyline and the E36. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull all these cars out, and we're gonna talk about them. And this car's been sitting in my backyard for the last 15 years, and he hasn't done anything with it. So I finally convinced him to let me have it. And then I started having kids, and I was supposed to be building a drift car like 4 or 5 years ago. And I've just kind of been waiting for my kids to get a little bit older. And now this is where we are.